Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making creamy fruit salad. All the ingredients that I used I already had at home. Like always, the ingredients will be listed in the description box below. You will need apples, fruit cocktail, pineapple, marshmallows, lechera, media crema, the juice that I drained from the fruit cocktail, and strawberries. You will also need a whisk, a spatula, and a bowl. You can also use granola or coconut shreds as a topping at the end. You will start off by mixing the lechera, media crema, and the heavy syrup together in a bowl. You can mix these together by using a spatula or even a hand whisk or even the electronic whisk. We will then cut the apples into small bits. I only used one pear because that's all I had at home, but you can use as many as you would like. Same goes for the rest of the fruits. Then we will slice the strawberries into small bits. And then do the same for the pineapple. Mix the sliced fruit with the media crema, lechera, and the heavy syrup that we combined earlier. Mixing your toppings. Here is when you can add your granola or your coconut shreds as well. After mixing it all together, we will refrigerate it for about an hour or two. This is the final result. I really hope you guys liked my video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and if you do choose to recreate this recipe, please tag my Instagram. Thank you. Bye!